Good evening, friends. Study with the Pal Engineering and General Geology Parvin Singh book. Stick. इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड डायग्नोस्टिक। इसका मतलब है कि जो मिनरल्स हैं उनकी जो डस्ट होती है उसको कहते हैं। ठीक है, कि हम उसकी प्रॉपर्टी को भी जानते हैं, तो उसी के तहत ये स्टडी करते हैं स्टिक। It is an important and diagnostic property of many colored minerals. Simply defined, streak is the color of the finely powdered minerals as obtained by scratching and rubbing the minerals over a rough or unglazed porcelain plate. The plate is often named as a streak plates in a geological laboratory. Colorless and transparent minerals will always give a colorless streak that has no significance. The colored and opaque minerals, जो कलर होते हैं ओपेक मतलब जो आर पार दिखाई देता है, स्पेशली ऑफ और ग्रुप, give typical characteristic streaks quite different from others similar looking minerals from, for instance, chromite and magnetite resemble closely in their others physical properties. Both are almost black. These may be at once distinguished by their streak and browns of chromite and black for magnetite. It follow. It follows that the color of a minerals may or may not be the same as its streak. So for identification, streak is a relied open more than the color of the minerals. Hardness. It is a fairly constant and diagnostic properties of minerals. Hardness may be defined as the resistance which a mineral offers to an external deformation action such as scratchings, abrasions, rubbing, or indentations. So hardness या intention, hardness of a mineral depend on its chemical compositions and atomic constitution. Broadly speaking, hardness of minerals as determined conventionally is a qualitative property determined in relative terms. It was in 1822 that Austrian mineralogist F. Moh, जिसे मोह स्केल ऑफ हार्डनेस भी कहते हैं हम लोग, proposed a relative, broadly quantitative, and scales of hardness of minerals assigning values between 1 and 10. And since 10, the Mohs scales of hardness for minerals has been universally adopted. All minerals, when pure, have been found to have a fairly constant hardness value on this scales, and hence the importance of hardness as a diagnostic property. The Mohs scales of hardness comprise 10 minerals arranged in order of ascending hardness. The softest is against a value of 1 and the hardest a value of 10. So table में दिया हुआ है. The practice hardness of any minerals can be determined with the help of minerals from the above scales. The harder minerals which scratch the softer minerals by starting with minerals of lowest hardness from the scales. Hardness of unknown minerals can be easily fixed. For instance, an unknown minerals is not scratched by fluorite H hardness, for example, but in scratched by apatite hardness 5. Hence, its hardness is lies between 5 and 4 and may be fixed at 4.5. It must also be remembered that minerals of equal hardness scratch each other. Diamond cuts diamond. Mohs scale of hardness mineral. Hardness 1, talc, Mg3, Si4, O10 whole, OH का whole twice. तो ये इसका फार्मूला है. सेकेंड हार्डनेस जिप्सम की, जिसका कैल्शियम सल्फेट CaSO4 2H2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. 3 कैल्साइट CaCO3 कैल्शियम कार्बाइड. फ्लोराइट CaF2. 5 हार्डनेस एपिटाइट की Ca5 कैल्शियम 5 PO4 होल थ्राइस F. 6 ऑर्थोक्लेज KAlSi3O8. 7 हार्डनेस कॉर्ड्स की SiO2. 8 टोपाज की हार्डनेस और इसका फार्मूला है Al2SiO4 होल F OH होल ट्वाइस। कोरंडम की 9 है हार्डनेस, Al2O3 और 10 डायमंड लास्ट C। Some common materials have been assigned hardness values according to Mohr scales and may prove useful in the determinations of hardness of unknown mineral quickly. So these are brass H is equal to 3, glass H is equal to 5.5, steel hardness 6, hardness of humans fingers nails varies between 1.5 to 2.5। तो क्योंकि हम लोग कई बार लैब में अपने नाखून से भी देखते हैं चेक करने के लिए कि नाखून के ज़रिए भी, इसलिए उसका दिया है कि फिंगर की, नेल की और वो स्टील की। तो द थ्री फैक्टर नीड केयरफुल कंसिडरेशंस इन डिटरमाइनिंग हार्डनेस ऑफ मिनरल्स ऑफ ऑन मोह स्केल। फर्स्ट, हार्डनेस इज ओनली ए रिलेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। कई बार आपको लैब में सब मिल जाएंगे लेकिन डायमंड नहीं मिलेगा, वो आपको ज्वेलरी शॉप पे ही मिलेगा। Three factors need careful consideration since determining the hardness of a minerals on the Mohr scales. First, hardness is only a relative property if a talc has hardness 1 and quartz hardness 7. It does not indicate quartz is 7 times harder than talc. Second, hardness is an anisotropic properties. Minerals may show different values in different directions. More commonly, however, this difference is negligible except in the case of minerals kyanite, where H is equal to means hardness 4.5 along the length of a hardness 6.5 across the length of a crystal. Third, hardness decrease on decompositions of minerals due to atmospheric attack on its surface. Hence, it must be checked on unweathered and unaltered surface only. Thank you.